My name is Rachit and I am from Delhi. I have recently completed PGFAP course on Imarticus Learning and gained knowledge of financial valuation, modeling, DCF valuation, forecasting and all. Coming to my academic qualifications, I have registered for CFA Level 2, which is scheduled for May 2024. I have completed my CFA Level 1 in August 2022 and done with my graduation in 2021 from 𝐏𝐵𝒂𝐻 in Bachelor's of Business Administration. So as I have told you earlier, I have completed CFA Level 1, so I had all the theoretical knowledge. So to gain the practical knowledge, I was surfing for the courses. So I came across the curriculum of Imarticus Learning and this aligned with my career goals and objective. So I signed up for this course. The course has transformed my career in many ways. It helped me in develop my technical skills by giving the hands-on experience of various projects like valuation of Coca-Cola and valuation of 𝒊𝒏𝒅𝒖𝒔𝒕 Martins and enhance my soft skills also. Imarticus Learning experience is very good. The faculty and coordinator here are very helpful. They help us in develop our technical skills as well as soft skills. They provide us a very good curriculum to study and they help us to build a confidence, and if anyone has stage fear, it's gone, it's there. Yes, of course, this course is very beneficial to all the financial aspirants who are looking for a breakthrough in the field of finance or has, like me, are doing CFA. This course is very well. This will improve your learning to a great extent.